In a remote Alpine valley, a storm sneaks in, turning routine gear checks into a race against worsening conditions. Team members improvise a shelter from reflective foil, pine boughs, and a plastic tarp, learning airflow and heat retention. They study the wind, choose firewood by scent and density, and build a tiny stove that sips rather than consumes. A simple water trick with solar stills and catcher leaves shows how to stay hydrated when streams freeze. Ultimately, the blizzard passes, and the crew carries 5 new moves into future treks with calm, clear purpose.